We are all familiar with resistance. It was discovered by German physicist Ohm in 1826. After 10 years of efforts and numerous experiments, finally concluded the quantitative relationship. The quantitative relationship between current. This is what we always call Ohm's law. To commemorate his contribution to humanity, we use his name as the unit of resistance. Resistor is one of the indispensable components in electronic circuit. The resistance of a conductor to current flow. We call it resistance. Its role in the circuit is to divide voltage and current. Let's take a look at this circuit board. Can you tell me which devices on this board? Which devices are resistors? Through this task we learn, we can recognize common resistors. Let's first learn the classification of resistors. In electronic circuits, the resistors are divided into 3 categories. Resistors with fixed resistance or ordinary resistors. Resistors with continuous variable resistance are called variable. Resistors with special function are called sensitive resistors. Resistors classified by manufacturer can be divided into film resistors, solid resistors, wire wound resistors, special resistors. According to the production process, resistors can be divided into through-hole resistors and surface mount resistors. Let's look at the appearance and characteristics of fixed resistors. Carbon film resistors. Carbon film. It has high chemical stability and large resistivity. It is less affected by voltage and frequency. It has a small temperature coefficient and is negative. Its preparation process is simple. It is the most widely used resistor at present. Metal oxide film resistance. Its appearance is similar to that of metal. It has better oxidation resistance than metal film. It has excellent path overload characteristics and mechanical properties, but its resistance range is small and large. Temperature coefficient. Metal film resistors have better electrical performance such as heat, resistance, noise potential, temperature coefficient, voltage coefficient than carbon film resistors. It has small size, low noise, and good stability, but the cost is higher. It is often widely used as a precise and high stability, and it is also widely used in various wireless electronic devices. Wire wound resistors. The structure of a wire wound resistor, usually winding the resistance wire on a magnetic tube and then coated with insulating material. It is characterized by high power and good heat dissipation, so wire wounder is usually used to consume always and high power. Cement resistor is a kind of wire wound resistor. Use refractory mud, commonly known as cement, to construct the framework and encapsulate. Cement resistors have high power, with a power of over 100 and high temperature resistance, stable performance. It is commonly used in air conditioners and other appliances with power above 100 A, used as a voltage drop, current limiting and thermal insulation element. Surface mount resistor. Chip resistor is a type of metal glass resistor. It is moisture and high temperature resistant, more temperature coefficient, which can greatly save circuit space costs, making the design more refined. Network resistors, also known as arrays. In layman's terms, network resistors is actually integrate multiple resistors together, but each resistor can be used independently. When using it, one or more resistors can be used simultaneously. The shape and characteristics of variable resistors. Variable resistors adjust the shaft to change its output resistance. to achieve the purpose of changing the resistance. Therefore, this continuous adjustable resistor is also called a potentiometer. Carbon film potentiometer. Carbon film potentiometer, the most commonly used potentiometer. Its main features are high resolution, with a large resistance range and high sliding noise. It has poor heat and humidity resistance. Wire-wound potentiometer. Wire-wound potentiometer. It is made by winding resistance wire on a cylindrical dielectric. The resistance value is adjusted by rotating the shaft. Surface mount potentiometer. Surface mount potentiometer is a super small linear potentiometer that has no manually rotated shaft. It needs tools to adjust. Trimming potentiometer. Trimming potentiometer. It is generally used in cases where the resistance value doesn't need to frequently adjust. It is usually debugged by professionals. Users cannot adjust it casually. Potentiometer with switch. Potentiometer with switch. It combines the switch with the potentiometer. It is usually used in circuits that need to switch power and volume adjustment. It is mainly used in radios, portable players, televisions, and other electronic products. The appearance and characteristics of sensitive resistors. There are many types of sensitive resistors in electronic circuits. The most commonly used ones are semiconductors, photoelectric resistors, piezoresistors, gas sensors, humidity-sensitive resistive resistors, etc. Thermistor. Thermistor. There are positive temperature coefficient and negative temperature coefficient thermistors. The resistance value of thermistor changes with temperature. The positive temperature coefficient thermos has a higher resistance. When the temperature is higher, the resistance value of negative temperature coefficient. Higher the temperature is, the lower the resistance value. Photoresistor, also known as light sensing resistor, is based on the photoelectric effect to make a resistor. It changes resistance value with the intensity of incident light. Strong incident light, the resistance value decreases, and the incident light, the resistance value increases. A varistor. It is made by using the nonlinearity of semiconductor resistor. It is a sensitive element in a certain voltage range. Its conductivity increases sharply with voltage. That sensitive resistors are based on to change the same conductor's electrical conductivity. It converts the detected gas composition and concentration electrical signal. Humidity-sensitive resistor. Use moisture-sensitive materials to absorb moisture, causing changes in its resistance value. A resistor made according to this principle. Ferromagnetic resistance. Ferromagnetic is made by using the ferromagnetic resistance effect of magnetization. Its resistance changes with the change of magnetic field. By using the change of ferromagnetic, the relative displacement of the magnetic field can be accurately tested. Fuse resistor. Also known as safety resistor or fuse resistor. It is a functional element that combines the resistors in one. Force-sensitive resistor. Magnetorective is a resistor whose resistance changes with pressure. It is also called piezoelectric resistor. The so-called piezoelectric resistance is the resistivity of semiconductor materials, effect that resistivity changes with mechanical stress. In this class, we learned the role of resistors in electronic circuits. It mainly plays a role in current diversion and voltage division. There are many types of resistors in the circuit, such as fixed resistors, variable resistors, sensitive resistors. Please think about: how does a household dimming desk lamp have dimming?